Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This unboxing video is for AKG noise cancelling headphones. I guess it's N700 M2. So let me just cut the box open. So it's good bubble wrapped, air wrapped, and it seems that the box is bent inside, but it's blocking the headphones from slipping out. So let me just put the box away, and there is the headphones N700 M2, and I guess the NC represents noise cancelling. So it is a wireless noise cancelling headphones as stated, Samsung AKG, and I think it's just branding saying it's Harman Kardon, and again the model number with all battery instructions, how long it will last and such. So let me just take the seal open. So the aesthetics on the box looks nice. I guess it's just outside noise and then goes through headphones and noise cancellation. And I think it's a slip out from the left for the box. And there's a tab, I guess, to push to open the box. Let's see if that works. Nope, I think there is a tape that is holding the box from opening up. So, and again there is AKG branding on the other side with an established date and location. So let's see if it slips up. Okay, once the tape is cut, it easily slips out of the box. I guess it's again a branding message from AKG, and the flap seems to be like how the newer Samsung phones comes with just an open flap, and the box seems to be in a tilted angle, so it's supposed to be open this way, I guess. And it is inside a case, which is a good thing than being dangling outside. And I guess these are just the manuals, and there seems to be something between the manuals, which I'll see what it is. So it's just manual, again information, quick start guide, and a sticker, which I guess is warranty information or such, which I'm not even sure what it means. So let's move that aside and open the headphones and see. So it has a holder, I guess a leather holder, I guess, to tag it to a bag or something. Let's open and see how the headphones actually look. Again, even the case has the model number written on it and stating it's wireless. And opening the case, there is some damage, I guess, due to these pushing up on the case due to the headphones pushing up. But I guess this is a pouch to put in cable, and here are the headphones. So they look a bit smaller compared to the Bose headphones, but the color tone looks nice. It's a kind of a gray metallic look with a black cushion. The entire headphones has that gray metallic look, except I guess where the series name, and I guess this is, I'm not sure what this symbol means. The AKG branding logo is on 3 places, and let us see what options we have. So we have a power button. I think that's the right indicator where it says R, and this might be the ANC trigger button. Let's see the left headphone as to what options this left headphones has. Well, let me just take out the plastic wrap that is on both headphones. So the left headphone has volume up, volume down, and I guess to answer or end the call, the center button, with also a 3.5mm jack. So I guess this button on the right headphone is the ANC enable disable button. So good thing is AKG, this headphone comes with a Type-C charging port, which is similar to all the phones, the current Android phones. So it saves space of carrying multiple cables. If we have an newer Android phone, the same cable can be used. And coming up, there is this accessories tab. So there is a 3.5mm adapter with a mic, which is a good thing. I guess this one goes closer to the earphones, whereas this one just plugs into your phone or wherever it's connected. And there is a travel adapter, a 2-prong 2mm. And what else? I guess we have a Type-C braided charging cable, which at least helps for not breaking up, because other plastic wrapped cables tend to break up easily. So it has a power indicator for some reason on one side, and it has the AKG branding on the other side for the USB. So, and there is no option to change ear cups, I guess, and we just have to use whatever ear cups it comes in. I'm not sure if it will fit all types of ears. If there are big ears, I don't know how it will fit, so I'll have to check that out. And all in all, the packaging looks nice, and it's well packed, well organized, and also even the headphones looks really good. And there is one more plastic tab, I guess, to just hold this part. I don't know if this part rotates or not. And there is some other branding element or such underneath. It states essentially designed just underneath this cushion wrap. So the headphone looks good. Hope I didn't break it with a drop. So, and opening it up, it seems to just click into place. Let me see if I can open it. Yep. So opening the headphones clicks them into place. Hope it has some charge. I can just, okay, so it's slide down to power on. and yep, I guess it has some charge, so I'll just connect it to phone later on and see. So this ends or concludes the unboxing video for Samsung's AKG N700 M2 wireless headphones with active noise cancelling. And thanks guys.